So for the question number 2, letter A, I just used the product rule, that is the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Basically, the derivative of the first is gonna be 1 over 2 square root of x, and the second, I just put the same as is given on the problem, cosine square root of x. Then I just did the first one times the derivative of the second. The derivative of the second is going to be negative sine square root of x times 1 2 square root of x. After just doing like this process, I get up in the end 1 times cosine of x just will be cosine square root of x divided by 2 square root of x. And on the bottom, I just got negative sine square root of x over 2. For letter B, I just did the quotient rule, that is basically the derivative of the first times the second, the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, and then this divided by the bottom. So for the derivative of it's basically, here I'm just explaining what I did. So basically the derivative is going to be e ln of e to the x ln of x times e to the x times 1 of x. This is just the derivative of the first one, and on the bottom we're just gonna repeat as we have x squared plus 4, and then on the other sides we're just gonna repeat the first and do the derivative of the bottom, that's 2x. After, I just multiply all those terms, and then also in the bottom I just square, so the x squared plus 4 times x squared multiplied by x squared plus 4, and then I got this in the bottom, and on the top I just did distribution, so I can find this big number right here.